guys, it's me. So I have a squishy experiment for today. So here is this squishy. I just two and over like beat them. So yeah, I have a squishy because I want you guys to be sick. So the first one I have here is this one burger. So here is the squishy. It's so smelly. So here is the squishy, like it's so soft. OMG! This is my first time first ever see a one that is super slow rising. Okay. So slow rising. Dun, dun, dun. Yo, look this burger. Here is in the back. Smells like fish. I don't know why. I think there's many fish. Yeah, I have that one. So the next one I have here is this mango. I risk shit, but there's a different one. Sorry for my cat. Here it is. Oh my gosh, guys. Do you see? Oh my god. I hope this dry is not like, it's not rising. Okay. I'm squishing this too. Also, they have the ball chain. It's so cold. Like, super cold, but here are the shoes. Here are the burger bun. Here is this burger bun. Here's the mango thing that is called. I don't know if this is that easy, so thank you for watching for my squishy experiment. Today, like, it's one day, so bye.